you're going to move on to your tinted color wheel. And for this one, if you're using Crayola pencils, I want you to lay down a layer of white in your section prior to adding color. So you're going to lay down some white so it gets nice and glossy, and then you will add your hue. So I'll do that again with the red. So I have the white right next to the little sun in the middle, and then I'm going to layer red on top. So very lightly red on top of the white. And you'll see that it starts to blend a little smoother for me than it did in the other one because it's got that wax coating. I want you to still work in little circles back and forth across the shape. And then you want to apply that heavier saturation at the edge and fade it away. So you should have more of a creamy color here instead of a dry, chalky version. Now I shouldn't have white here on the very edge where I want the darker pigment, but I should see it, especially down by the sun. After I've added my color, I'm going to go back and put another little layer of white on top and see how it blends. You can also do this with your Prismas. You can lay your pigment down and then you mix with the white. Now the white won't do all the mixing for you, it will just help a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do our next color. So I already have a layer of white in my red violet, so I'm going to lay down a layer of red. Then I'm going to layer in my purple. Last layer in that raspberry color. After I've layered all my hues, I'm going to go in with my white and apply another coating of white to help blend those different colors together. So anytime we add white, it creates a tint. Whenever we have no white or black in it, it is just the hue. All right, so remember, white first, then your pigment, and it should fade from dark to light when you reach the center. Okay, so when you're done with your tint color wheel, we will do our shade color wheel.